Hello and welcome to Football. London's Chelsea Friday transfer news. We will be with you throughout the day to keep you updated on all the latest news from Stamford Bridge. Before we start the video, please subscribe, like and feel free to comment. Chelsea transfer news recap. Shock Thiago Silva exit plan, 3 players to leave, Haaland for £89 million. The latest news and transfer gossip from around Stamford Bridge as Frank Lampard tries to save his job. The January transfer is edging ever close to closing. There is little more than a week of the window to go and Chelsea have yet to do any business in terms of incoming players. The Blues did spend more than £200 million in the summer transfer window and will not have been expected to spend big again, with owner Roman Abramovich probably hoping to keep his hands in his pockets. However, with Chelsea in a horrendous run of form, Frank Lampard may ask for funds to add to his squad in the final few days of the window, if he remains in a job. There is intense pressure on the Blues legend's shoulders and some transfer activity could be just what he needs. Will Chelsea make any signings though? We've got all the latest news as it happens right here in our daily live blog. Winger Lucas Piazon has hit out at Chelsea's transfer and loan policy following his recent departure from Stamford Bridge. After 10 years on Chelsea's books, the Brazilian winger joined Portuguese outfit Braga earlier this month on a permanent basis. During his time at Stamford Bridge, Piazon was sent out on loan 7 times to 7 different clubs. Piazon said, "To be honest, we would come back and we would go to preseason with the new coach and the new players were coming in from the summer and they were always like, if you do well the coach might keep you. But deep down inside we knew that we didn't have a chance because they were paying big money for the players and the club would definitely use them." Fikayo Tomori is on the brink of leaving Chelsea and joining AC Milan on loan for the remainder of the season. That is according to the Daily Mail. Talks have been rumbling on over the past few days, but the deal is now on the cusp of being finalized, with the details expected to be completed. The father of Borussia Dortmund striker Erling Haaland has compared his current club with Manchester United, amid reports linking the striker with a move to Stamford Bridge. United were hot on the heels of the Norway international striker's signature last January before he flocked to the Bundesliga. Now, with Haaland being linked with a move to Chelsea, his father has compared Dortmund to United, in terms of the club being a similar size and stature. Alf-Inge Haaland said, "Manchester United have achieved great success in recent years. The club is also trying to build something new there. But to draw comparison now is not so easy because Erling, is already playing in Dortmund. These are 2 very traditional clubs with a large fan base and a glorious history. Man United is a very proud club, just like Dortmund in Germany." Sempre Milan are reporting that Marcos Alonso could soon be on his way to Barcelona as a replacement for the AC Milan-bound Junior Firpo. The Catalan giants have lined up Alonso as the perfect replacement for Firpo but must ensure the young Spaniard exits the club before making their move for the Chelsea man. Real Madrid might be the favorites for the versatile Austrian, but according to German media outlet Kicker, Chelsea and Manchester United are still hoping to be in the race for his signature. Alaba's contract expires at the end of this season, meaning he is free to talk to clubs now in regard to a potential summer move. Frank Lampard's position at Chelsea is on thin ice and the Mirror are reporting that potential replacements are being spoken to by the club. Former PSG manager Thomas Tuchel is the favorite to replace Lampard and according to former Premier League striker Jan-Age Fjortoft, Tuchel has had preliminary talks about taking on the role at Stamford Bridge. Fjortoft said, "I understand no decision has been made in terms of Lampard yet, but if he goes Tuchel is seen as the best replacement in the middle of the season." Thiago Silva back to Brazil? Brazilian defender Thiago Silva has settled into life at Stamford Bridge well, but Fluminense manager Marçal has spoken on a video released this week on YouTube channel Pilhado about Silva's future. Marçal said, "I'm sure that we'll have the captain here with us. We'll do everything to bring the captain. He wants it a lot." Timo Werner's former manager Julian Nagelsmann predicted he might struggle against deep defenses and the RB Leipzig manager has been proven correct. Frank Lampard can't say he wasn't warned about the issue, Nagelsmann said this last summer. The former Blues striker Tony Cascarino has claimed on TalkSport the Chelsea board will be nervous and edgy about backing Frank Lampard in the January transfer window. This is after the manager spent £220 million in the summer but has made little progression with the new signings. The in-demand Norwegian star Erling Braut Haaland may have a release clause in his contract, but with that not active until the summer of 2022, if Chelsea wishes to sign him, they will have to break their own transfer record to do so. As Football London reported yesterday, were Chelsea to move for the French international, he would be able to wear his favorite number on his back at the club. Interest is sure to be high, with Upamecano on the watchlist of a number of top European clubs including Liverpool, Manchester United, and Bayern Munich, as well as Chelsea, according to The Guardian. RB Leipzig are not keen on letting the centre-back move this transfer window, but he could be available for €42 million £37.4 million in the summer transfer window. We started yesterday's blog with news about Fikayo Tomori's loan to AC Milan, and it is the same again today. The Mirror is reporting that the deal may not include the €25 minus £30 million, £23 million, £27 million option to buy clause first mooted. That is according to Italian sports journalist Fabrizio Romano. It's not guaranteed that Milan will pay €30 million for Tomori before the start of next season, he told R1F via Sempre Milan. That is all from us today. Be sure to tune into tomorrow's video for all the very latest Chelsea transfer news from Stamford Bridge. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.